You need fasteners for everything. Everything and anything you do, you need those fasteners. And we love servicing our customers. And anytime I can help them, I want to help them. And then over the years, as we developed the business, I brought on Fasteners 101, which is our YouTube channel, which does an amazing, amazing feedback from you guys. And we love putting those videos together. And we love when you guys ask us questions so we can give you answers to your projects or the proper fastener to use for your project. Subscribe and hit the bell so we can let you know when there's a new video uploaded with lots of new content and information. Let's keep going forward and let's keep growing. Thanks for watching.